Did you know it's a hybrid and it has purple flowers? So we all kind of know that peppermint is a great study aid. Peppermint's pretty cool. There should be care taken when pregnant women ingest peppermint, specifically because it has certain properties to it that are not healthy for a pregnancy. Peppermint is known for relaxing muscle spasms and cramps. It's also a vasodilator, which means it's good for lowering blood pressure as well as treating certain conditions like varicose veins. It's good for irritable bowel syndrome as well as it's good for pain reduction with menstruation, helps fight foodborne bacteria as well as other types of bacteria, including staphylococcus, which is great to know. And last but not least, it's a histamine inhibitor due to a substance called rosmarinic acid. And if you remember from my last video I did on pine, I mentioned that it was good for pulling out substances in the skin. So if you were to make some type of lotion with you might have quite a beautiful lotion. That's all I have to say on mint. You know, it's one of those more common herbs, but those are some of the less common known uses for mint. So if you like that, stick around because there are 3 more days with 3 more herbs coming through. Yeah, peace.